What's up, selectors? It's Select Screen here. Have you ever wondered how to get vertical video just like this in Streamlabs OBS? How do you do that? I'm here to show you how to do vertical and horizontal video right here in Streamlabs. Let's not waste any time, man. Let's jump into this. I'm ready. You're ready. Let's go. All right, selectors, check this out. This is how you get vertical video into Streamlabs desktop right here, right now. Check it out. First thing you want to do is go into your settings, go over to stream and make sure you have everything set up. linktr.ee/select screen for all of those. All right. Next, you want to jump into video and enable dual output right here. There you'll be able to now see the option. I've already clicked it here, but just so you can see, just like that, you'll see this pop up horizontal and vertical. I got mine set to 1080 by 1920, 60 frames per second, all of that good stuff there. Set that to the settings that you need, all right? From there, it's gonna automatically import all of your scenes and sources into the vertical output. But as you can see here, it's not done necessarily perfect, right? So to give you an idea, I've already converted one over. You can see we've got one set up. I call it my Mortal Kombat 1. Shout out to Mortal Kombat 1. But it's got my camera down here, a little image to kind of make it look better in vertical. And then of course, our gameplay, once I hit the PlayStation button here, will light up right there. And our gameplay is live on the vertical, all right? So that's what we're going for there. I'm gonna go back to what I call my Patreon overlay. And as you can see here, it's not really coming over yet correctly. What you wanna do is everything is still kind of tied to your sources here, all right? So for instance, my subscribe box is here. So when I hit that, if you'll notice on the horizontal, both the horizontal and the vertical are now deselected. When I click that on, there it is, it shows up on both. But let's say you move one of these, it'll move both. So the best way to do that is, I'm gonna click this off and on again. When that pops up, click just the vertical one. And I'll do it again, like so. Aha, make sure it's unlocked. There you go. All right. I always lock all my sources. There you go. Click that one. And now it's just going to affect the vertical and not the horizontal. Just like that. All right. I'm going to lock that back. But as you can see, not everything's kind of coming over. So I want to show you guys, I'm going to bring over my, my camera. I call it my Canon cam. I'm going to bring that over by unlocking it. And as you can see, the Canon cam there. We could even do, maybe we'll do my secondary camera. Why don't we do that? Just to give it a different look. Logitech cam, we'll do that one. All right, Logitech cam there. And we're going to unlock it and drag that dude down. And there it is there, it's upside down now. But again, we want to affect just that camera, right? So again, I've got it unlocked. I'm clicking just that one. And now I should be able to transform like normal. And we want to flip that guy 180, just like that. 180, and then I can place this, of course, wherever I want to in the stack of things to stack. So it's that simple. You go through and just kind of lay all of those things out one by one. As you can see, I'm building this one out now, but the finished product, again, once you do those steps, will look just like that. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Definitely hit the like button. linktr.ee/select screen. We're on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Kick Apple and Spotify podcasts. And of course, you can hit up the Cash App at 5ELECT, 5CREEN. My name's Select Screen. For more tips and tricks and just amazing gameplay, remember to choose your destiny. Follow us here, and I'm out.